Are you tired of PDF software that is slow, resource-heavy, and keeps you trapped in an expensive ongoing subscription? Many users find traditional PDF editors to be a hot mess that struggles to install or stay updated. What if you could have a professional, butter-smooth PDF solution that you can own outright for a one-time fee? Today, we are looking at SwifDoo PDF, a powerful all-in-one tool designed to handle every document task you can imagine. One of the most impressive things about SwifDoo is how lightweight and accessible it is. Unlike bloated software, it runs on almost any system, supporting both 32-bit and 64-bit Windows, and requires only 1 GB of RAM and 130 MB of storage space. It is also available across all your platforms, including Mac, iOS, and Android devices, so you can manage your work on the go. The interface is clean and intuitive, mimicking the familiar layout of Microsoft Word, which means you won't have a headache trying to find the tools you need. SwifDoo PDF makes editing text as effortless as using a Word document. You can edit text, images, and links directly within your PDF, and change the font, size, style, and color instantly. With a single click, you can convert PDFs into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or high-quality images. You can even take a Google Doc and turn it into a professional PDF. If you have a scanned document or an image, the OCR function allows the computer to read and edit the text inside those images. You can easily merge multiple documents, split pages, or rearrange their order to keep your files organized. This software is powered by SwifDoo AI, a built-in assistant that changes how you interact with documents. You can use the AI to summarize long content, translate text, proofread your work, or even chat with your PDF to explain complex concepts without needing an external chatbot. For professional workflows, SwifDoo offers significantly reduced large file sizes, for example, shrinking an 11.3 megabyte file down to just 2.6 megabytes without losing quality. Create your signature once by drawing, typing, or uploading an image, and then simply drag and drop it onto any document. If you scan a physical document and it comes out crooked, SwifDoo can automatically align and straighten it for you. Protect your sensitive data by encrypting files with passwords or adding custom watermarks. When it comes to cost, SwifDoo is extremely competitive compared to Adobe Acrobat. You have the flexibility to choose a monthly or yearly subscription, with prices starting as low as $9.99 for Mac users. However, the best value is the perpetual license, which allows you to buy the software once and own it forever, for approximately $96 to $129, including lifetime support and updates. The AI assistant may have its own separate subscription model, depending on your usage needs. Whether you are a student, teacher, or office professional, SwifDoo PDF provides a compact, optimized package that handles everything you expect from a premium PDF solution. It's fast, affordable, and incredibly easy to use. You can start with a 7-day free trial to test out all the pro features yourself. Click the link in the description to download SwifDoo PDF with free trial and special discounts. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.